to unlink Google Photos from Gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're answering a common question, how to unlink Google Photos from your phone's Gallery app. If you've been seeing duplicate images or just want to keep things separate, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Photos. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Photos Settings. Step 3. Disable Backup and Sync, optional. If you want to stop automatic backups, go to Backup and Sync and toggle it off. This is optional but helpful if you don't want future photos to sync with Google. Step 4. Unlink from Gallery via Device Settings. Now, to disconnect Google Photos from your phone's gallery, open your device settings. Scroll down to Apps or Apps and Notifications, then find your default gallery app. This could be Samsung Gallery, Google Gallery, or similar. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your actual photos, it just unlinks the app's data. Step 5. Remove Google Photos access, alternative method. Alternatively, you can revoke Google Photos access to your media. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Photos, Permissions, and turn off Storage access. Step 6. Restart your phone. Finally, restart your phone. Once it powers back on, open your Gallery app again. Google Photos should now be unlinked. Closing. And that's it. Your local gallery and Google Photos are now separate. If this helped you out, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for listening.